Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen, and today we're going to work on decorating a spool of ribbon for a swap that I'm in. And I am going to use some traditional colors, that traditional type Christmas. I don't know. We'll see what I come up with. But I want to use this. And I might want to cut a face from here. I just don't know which one. They're cute. They're all cute. Might use some pretty paper. I think I'm going to cover, yeah, just going to go ahead and cover this one. Let's use the easy way. I'm not going to use hot glue on this one. Yeah, that's much easier. Going on the edge, so the paper will stick to. There we go. Okay, I think that was more than enough. And stick it down. That's it. Yep, there you go. And now I'm just going to cut. Okay, just want to clean up my edges. There you go. And then, we'll see. I think I want this face. Let's see if it fits. It fits! I'll try with this one. This one at the end. There we go. Look at that face. Alright, now I think, let's see. I don't know. Just sharpen up these edges because they're not very clean. Okay. On there. I'm going to use a lot. Just going to get to the edge. Okay. I'm going to use this guy. Alright, that is exactly what we were going for. I guess I won't be using that. Okay, so I finished adding the Dollar Tree tool That is so pretty. And it doesn't matter what paper I put on this side because I'm not going to see it. So I think I will cover the bottom side of this one. And I'm going to attach this on, but oops, let me just let's see. I have this white paint pen, and I got this from Walmart. This is the white painter's marker. And oh geez, it's so hard to open. Whoops. It's an old marker, so sometimes it doesn't work. Oh yeah. So I'm just going to color my edge just like that. It just gives it like a snow globe effect, you know? Okay. And now we have to take all the covers off this. And there we go. Stick into me. Okay. Gonna put the glue on all of it. Does not matter which way it's facing. Just want it centered. Yep, there it goes. It's that cute little face right there. And then I want to put like a sentiment, but okay guys, so I found some little stickers from Recollections, and I just put one that said "Let It Snow" on top of one of the snowflakes that I hauled from Hobby Lobby. And then I think I'm going to stick some of these snowflakes under and around like that, and just, you know, just spread it out. I think I'm going to cut this one. So around his face, because it looks like snow. There you go. Actually, use this one. This looks cute. Okay. I was thinking of using these, but Christmas lights, but you don't have to use everything, so let's put that back in there. Also from a D-stash. Yeah. And now I think I just have to cover the back and put to and froms and on to the next project. So I just put, this is some Dollar Tree ribbon, and it just says the elves made me do it. And Dollar Tree tulle, and then some of the paper from Hobby Lobby. I put a little Recollections old sticker button, and then a snowflake from Hobby Lobby. It's one of those layered sticker set. It's not a sticker, but anyway, it's from Hobby Lobby. And then I will just cover the back like that, and just cut around this guy. So I'm going to put tape on him. Let's see, that's the front. Put it down. And then we get this guy with the top hat, just like that. And just cut around. Yep, there he goes. There it is, guys. And just to make them the same as the other side, I'm just going to color the edge. It makes it a little more finished. Uh-oh. I might be done with this one. And that's it. I will put my to and from after. So that's it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, join the family, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.